Welcome everybody to my tutorial. I'm Chris Albert Principe from Estee Lucena. It's all about composite function. What is composite function? Composite function is a combination of two functions where you apply the first function and get the answer, and then fill that answer into the second function. Here's my example. F of x equals 2x plus 5 and g of x equals 3x squared. A composite function looks like this: f of g of x. A small circle, can you see the circle? The little circle means that it's a composite function of f and g. F of g of x means f of g of x, which tells you to work out g of x first and then fill that answer into f. Let's find f of g of 5. This means f of g of 5. Work out g of 5 first. Since our formula is g of x equals 3x squared, the x become 5, so that become 3 of 5 squared. The 5 multiply itself because we have a squared. 5 times 5 equals 25. 3 times 25 equals 75. And we have answer 75. Now we find f of 75. F of x, this is our formula for 75. To find 75, f of x equals 2x plus 5. The x becomes 75 equals 2 of 75. 2 times 75 equals 150 plus 5 equals 155. So in our question, this is the answer. F of g of 5 equals 155. Thank you very much to listening my tutorial. This is the end of tutorial. Thank you. Goodbye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.